Hey, this is J-Man, and then we're on an auto show. What? Oh, there's a really cool What? Hey, don't.
They should go up.
Oh my god! That is too cute. It's lit.
Yeah. Mom.
Subscribe.
Well, we're gonna go back to the Corvette over there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know what your people should do? They should subscribe to me. They should
Hey, Sword.
subscribe to you.
Hey, there's Sword.
Yeah. Yeah, I can. I can. I'll have my.
Hey, Sword. Sword, hop in the car. Hop in.
No, Jeb, it's locked. Oh wait.
Hop in the smart car.
They left the window open.
Alright.
They left the window
That's
open.
funny, y'all.
They left the window open.
Oh, it is.
Jim, no, you drove too far.
Unlock the door.
Uh.
Here, I'm gonna take a picture, y'all.
My door got
So
locked.
you're in.
We're locked.
Take a picture,
We're locked
everybody.
in. This video is not sponsored by Toyota. I know, I'm really sorry.
He's really nice.
Here,
Yeah.
let me use your camera.
No, Mom, I'm filming. Yeah, I'm filming,
Okay.
Mom. Sorry that your phone
I
is
think I got
like
it.
really
I think
bad.
that one's good.
Oh, where's the
Here.
orange car?
No.
Jeff. No, let's go to the Camaro. All the way. All the kick.
Hi.
Jeb.
Hi.
What? Jeb.
All set. Bye, Sawyer.
Yeah.
Sawyer.
What kind of car is that?
Let's drive away. How's that new car smell? Ooh, truck. Like it's Milan. It's your Milan's truck.
Whose?
Milan's truck. Oh, it's a giant truck.
Let's see what she's doing of it. There we go. Hey.
So I hope everyone so far is enjoying their show. I see we have a lot of people coming into the board display. So I just want to tell you guys a little something about what we have going on. Really quickly, 30 seconds for your attention, I'll let you be free. We're giving you $50 to test drive a Ford car. This is not a credit, this is not a pre-approval, this is not a go buy something. This is a $50 MasterCard gift card directly to your door, delivered. We're going and taking a test drive.
Mom, can we test-
in the country.
That's
If
pretty.
you want to know more,
Well, we got a test drive the car.
probably heard this enough
Yeah.
today. Come find the polka dot lady in the center of the display. You literally cannot miss us unless you try.
This is a really nice car. Corvette.
You can still see with zero instructions by hitting time on the
Your camera in a minute.
Okay.
see with zero instructions. So there's lots of technology out
Put it on camera when you get out. Let me take
How do you,
a
oh, can you open the door?
So you can stay connected with the phone you got, you might cover it, CarPlay.
Oh, that's how you open it.
Yeah. Do it on camera. Yeah. My camera's not working.
I know, but I'll give you the camera in a minute. Here, I'll take. What do you want to take a picture of?
I wanted to take one of you in there. She can stand there, I guess.
Oh, we're gonna be there for a while. Yeah,
special for any truck owners here at Chevy Display, we're doing something called Truck Legends. We have now one.
I mean, look at this Honda.
Jib, you know it would actually be really fun to do Fortnite.
Wait, we're filming. What do you mean? I don't like Fortnite that much. It's the spin.
Or we could play like Rocket League.
But sure.
No, but it's classic.
Dude, look at this sick little, like, car. It's like a slingshot, man.
Jib, this looks like Rocket League described
We're
it.
not allowed to sit in it.
Why?
And like I said, it's going to be a Chevy transmission. I guess in the back, some sort. The way I described it, it's a stick. That car is going on by something like this.
Motorcycle.
You can get 1.4 on that thing. There's not a car, tire.
Oh, shoot.
Whoops. Jib.
Oh, there's an ATV. Oh, there's an ATV. ATV.
Everywhere I go.
Oh, here we go. I think we're getting the good stuff.
Yes, that's how they
Good
carry
job.
someone.
Chevrolet.
It's a lot of these Chevrolet Charlotte there.
Corvette. Wait, I want to go stroll the Corvette. People actually own these cars. Well, I guess like the headlights pop up. Like the headlights pop up when you turn them on. Yeah,
Is that why they're changing up?
that's like a John Deere.
But they don't. Ooh.
These are all
John Deere.
cool. No,
Orange.
people actually own these.
I'd like to see one that has orange. Geico motorcycle.
Geico motorcycle.
Advertising
That's like the
Geico.
last nice, really nice one. Oh, ATV.
Geico souvenirs.
Geico.
I want to do that.
Good. Where's the line? Go
Over
ahead.
there.
We gotta get in it.
Hey guys, it's like 6:52 at night, and we got home from the car show, and it was really fun. Hope you subscribe and like this video. It was really fun. Thanks for watching.